Check out our newest feature release. The payment element is now available inside of Forms. Our CRM introduces a powerful payment element right inside of the form builder. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. This new feature update is going to allow you to streamline the process of collecting payments from clients through a simple and intuitive form element. It's going to allow you to instantly enhance your forms with the ability to capture payments. And all payment transactions seamlessly integrate into the reporting section. This is a great feature update because it's bringing one more way for you to get money more quickly from your users, your clients, and your customers. So let's go ahead and create a new form. Go to Sites, and then when the upper navigation opens, click on Forms, and then go ahead and select Add New. Now, as you're building out that form, you're going to see a new element, and that element is going to be the payment element. You'll be able to locate that by clicking on the plus button, going to Elements, and then locating the payment element. Once you drag that element in, you're going to see that it has a lot of options. So let's go ahead and talk about those. First, you're going to want to access the element setting. So while you are clicked on that element, you're going to then see that additional settings area pop up on the right side. I want you to go ahead and turn on the toggle for suggest an amount. This is going to allow you to give people the option to actually choose what they pay. You can also add multiple amounts in, including that choose any amount. So go ahead. What you're going to see in that right-hand navigation is you'll see multiple denominations in there. You can actually keep adding additional denominations using that plus button. Now, maybe you really want to have just one, but maybe you want to have several options. Now, what's great is you can actually hide or show that other amount field. Maybe you don't want people to choose the amount that they pay for something. Not everybody really wants to use that, but it gives us a lot of flexibility. Some of the reasons might be that you're having an offer where you're utilizing a choose your price. And that's a really great way to allow people to choose a price and really get them into an easy offer that's getting them to raise their hand and spend a little bit of money with you first. Now, as always, you can click on the preview button and see your form exactly the way it's going to look when it's live. Now, with all of our payments, you're going to be able to see if they have gone through, what the amount is, and what that success rate is. And you can get a confirmation email and payment details sent out to any of your users. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and access any transactions, go ahead and go to Payments in the main left-hand navigation, then go up to Transactions, click on the three dots button, and then select View Transaction. That is going to give you all sorts of details. Here you can see all of those different details right inside of the Transactions panel. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.